Hey, it's Ken. I've found a pretty neat combination of apps that I wanted to share with you. So my use case is that I'm taking notes in Obsidian and I'm using Mermaid to write a little diagram with Markdown, and I want to share it with somebody. So in my Obsidian app here, I've got a couple of add-ons. I've got the um, slide, advanced slides add-on installed. And that lets me add a horizontal separator like this with 3 dashes to tell Obsidian that I want to present this as a slide. So this would be like the first slide here, and then 3 dashes, and then whatever comes on the next slide. And so it's a feature of the Advanced Slides plugin to run a little preview server. You just click this button, and then you can see your preview just like this. And you can, just like it's using reveal.js, so it looks exactly the same as the default reveal.js styling. So, but even if we don't have that preview tab open, it is running. And so that's actually available as a little web server. And if I open up a web browser here, we can see it locally just by entering the address and visiting it. Looks the same. You can navigate up and down, left and right, and see the content. But what if we want to share it with somebody else? So that's where zrok comes in. If in my terminal, if I say zrok share public, it tells me you gotta specify, you just type the same address there that I typed into my web browser. Oops, typed some garbage by accident. So if I say share public and then give it the address, oops, I think I put an extra backslash on there. Well, anyway, yeah, that gives us a public address. And so now anybody can open that in their web browser and see the same thing. Now it's a little public share, and they can see the stuff that I'm typing. And if in my Obsidian note right here, I were to make a modification like this, change the diagram, then it's going to appear here on a refresh. So as soon as I'm done sharing, the great thing about zrok is that I can just Control-C cancel, and now that share is gone, and I can, there's no more public exposure. So that's the demo. Hope it's useful.